Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the wrapper dough and the filling because texture sets success. Mix 250 g flour with 1/2 tsp salt, add 100-120 ml warm water gradually, and knead until smooth and elastic. Rest it 15-20 minutes to relax gluten so wrappers roll thin. Meanwhile, combine 200 g mince or 2 cups chopped vegetables, add grated ginger, garlic, soy sauce, and a splash of oil. You want a slightly sticky mix, so it binds inside the wrapper without drying out. You now shape momos. This is where technique matters. Divide rested dough into 24 equal pieces and roll each to a 7/8 cm round, dusting lightly so they don't stick. Place about 1 teaspoon of filling in the center. Fold and pleat from one edge, pinching to seal tightly as you work around, or try a simple half-moon fold. Make sure the seal is snug and the filling compact so steam cooks it evenly and the dumpling keeps shape without bursting. You finish by steaming and serving for immediate best texture. Line a steamer with parchment or cabbage leaves, space momos so they don't touch, and steam over a rolling boil for 10-12 minutes. Time varies with size. Once done, serve hot with a tangy soy vinegar chili dip and fresh cilantro. If something goes wrong, momos soggy after steaming, crisp them in a hot skillet for 1 minute per side. If they leak, next batch reduce filling moisture and seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.